Hello and welcome to another video from Mercurius IT. Today we're in the Talent Core HR app again, and today we will be looking at the various different editable and personalized options of the employee profiles in the Core HR app. So if you haven't seen our previous video, we had a little overview of these profiles and saw what information can be included. But today we're going to actually dive into the changeable options by clicking the edit button here and then see what other things we can add and remove from the employee profiles to make it work just for you and for your organization. So here is the editable screen of the employee profile. So as you can see, we've got 5 different tabs across the top here. We've got profile, employment, compensation, competencies and development, and payroll. So if we scroll down, we can see that we've got various different options. Try and remove that so we've got a bit more room. There you go. Yep. And so we've got personnel number, titles, middle names, loads of different information here. How you display the name, the hire date and time, office location, whether they work from home, their title. So much stuff there. That's in the worker summary. Then we got addresses. So home address, office address. Obviously this is all changeable. I'm not going to change it because this is just a test environment that we're in at the moment, but it just shows you there is a lot of options. So you can also get a map view. I'll go on to Bing Maps. I'm not going to wait for that to load. Contact information. Yep. So you got emails, phone. You can add any other things. So you can add your emergency contact details there as well. Personal information. Yeah, so you got your marital status, number of dependents, your ethnicity, so much different data that you can get on your employees. Obviously, not everyone's going to need all this data, so just to let you know, there is options, and then you can personalize the form. So what that means is you're able to select and hide any elements that you may or may not want to be shown on the employee profile. So let's say we don't want the known as, we can just click that. Then it will be redded out, and things like the personal suffix or anniversary date, maybe we don't need that as well. So we're just going to hide that. And it won't show up on any of the forms, and we won't need to include it because maybe we don't need it for our business. So that's just a good way of how Dynamics 365, the whole platform, how it can be personalized for you, make it a bit better. So I just thought I'd show you that quickly. So yeah, that was basically the whole profile section. Then we can go on to employment. So this is just all the employment details. So when they started, any probation details, loads and loads and loads of stuff. Very good. And then you can select any financial dimensions, so the cost center. So if that's applicable for your worker of any of these, or you can add any others, then you can add that right in there. So compensation, the next tab. So this is where you can select whether it's fixed, plan, variable. You can click on any of these, get into more details, so it doesn't just make the screen all messy. It has its own separate little page inside the talent application. So we just clicked into fixed plan here, then you can see whether it's merit or higher level, and then you can fix everything accordingly to make it work for you and how you need it. So we'll just click back. So yeah, that was the compensation. And competencies and development. Yeah, talent has a very high level of professional development tools inside it, and then it promotes it quite a lot, making your employees help themselves and help your organization. So there's whole little sections here for certificates, education, tests, skills, courses, positions of trust, and professional experience. So you can just click into these. We'll say skills, for example, and then you can add any skills, and then what the level is, whether it's verified, who's it's been verified by, when it was achieved. Yeah, you've got a whole load of detail about any employee of your organization, makes things, you get a full 360-degree view of your employees, and then you can learn more about them and you can understand where they are and what they've achieved. This goes to the same for development, so there's a reviews and goals section. So say for your appraisal in the reviews, there'll be all the data from every year, all there, ready for your viewing, making it a lot more organised than what we believe other HR departments may be at the moment, because we understand that there's a lot of different software. It's not many all-in-one HR tools such as Dynamics 365 for Talent, which centralizes and gets a whole 360 view of each employee of your organization. So yeah, here's the appraisal interview screen. So you can add a lot of data here, anything you need really, just to make it work, so you can get your appraisals in. So we'll just click back on that. Yeah, that was the competencies and development thing, and now we've got on the payroll. And yeah, you can just put your payroll earning codes here, say bonus, well, it's only for one at the moment, but yeah, that's just, and you can select the frequency, say if it's a quarterly bonus or anything, you can just whack that in there. Then you can add more payroll information, all of the necessary stuff for adding in payroll. Yeah, it's just very comprehensive and easy to use, and makes it a lot simpler for your HR teams to understand more about your employees. So that was basically it of editing the employee profile in Dynamics 365 for Talent, the core HR app. If you'd like to learn more, please visit our YouTube or social media or website. We've got plenty of content out there. Or just drop us an email or call us. There will be links and numbers in the description. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.